In this guide, you'll learn how to fix battery drain in iOS 26. The first thing you should do is turn on adaptive mode. This new feature automatically adjusts your iPhone's performance to save battery life. To enable it, go to Settings, then Battery, select Power Mode. Now from here you can enable for these options. Likewise, toggle on for the option Low Power Mode. Then check which apps are killing your battery. Some apps use a lot of battery even when you are not actively using them. Click on View All Battery Usage. Scroll down to see which apps are using the most power. If you notice any app draining too much battery, update it, limit its usage, or stop using it altogether. Next up, turn off background app refresh. For that, head back, go to General, go to background app refresh. Now turn it off. Or you can turn it off for the apps you don't need to refresh constantly. Next, fix location services as they are one of the biggest battery killers. For that, head back, go to the option Privacy and Security, click on Location Services, change most apps to while using or turn off location completely for the apps that don't need it. Likewise, adjusting display and brightness is another key step. For that, head back, go to the option Display and Brightness, enable dark mode, likewise limit the brightness, turn off always on display, turn on auto brightness, reduce the auto lock time. Next up, limit widgets and live activities. Remove unnecessary widgets, especially on a lock screen. These widgets and live activities refresh in the background, draining battery. Fewer widgets mean better battery life. Likewise, disable notifications and then head towards the option Privacy and Security. Click on the option Location Services. Now click on the option Analytics and Improvements. Now turn off Show iPhone Analytics and Other Analytics option. If your iPhone supports Apple Intelligence, you can disable it as well. This feature also impacts the battery life. Finally, update your apps and restart your iPhone. And that's it. Following these steps, you should see a significant improvement in your battery life. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.